Hello, today we will guide you through how to add and manage a loan in QuickBooks Online. In this walkthrough, we'll set up a dedicated liability account so your loan balance is tracked cleanly on your books and shows up correctly on your reports. We'll move step by step inside QuickBooks Online, explain why each choice matters, and share a few helpful tips so you feel confident as you go. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing into your company. From the left menu, move your mouse over Accounting. This is the hub for your company's accounts and where you'll create the loan account you'll use going forward. When the options appear, click Chart of Accounts. Think of the Chart of Accounts as your master list of buckets for money in and money out: assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Setting up the loan correctly here ensures everything rolls up to the right financial statements. At the top of the Chart of Accounts, click New Account. This opens a form where you'll define how the loan should be classified. In the account name field, enter a clear, descriptive name. A practical approach is to include the lender and purpose, such as loan payable, vehicle, or loan payable equipment. Consistent naming helps you and your accountant immediately recognize what the balance relates to, especially if you have more than one loan. Next, open the Account Type dropdown. Account type determines how this account appears on your balance sheet and how QuickBooks treats related transactions. Choose Other Current Liabilities. This classification is commonly used for obligations you expect to pay within the next 12 months, and it places the loan in the liabilities section of your reports as a short-term obligation. Now click the Detail Type dropdown. Detail types further specify the nature of the account, so reports and tools can label it precisely. Select Loan Payable. Choosing Loan Payable makes it clear this account is for the principal portion of a loan. That distinction matters because principal reduces the loan balance, while interest is recorded separately as an expense. Once your selections are set and your account name looks good, click Save. QuickBooks will add the account to your chart of accounts. You can now find it any time by searching its name or filtering by liabilities. From the Accounts options, you can view the register to see activity tied to the principal, edit the name or description if needed, and keep everything organized as the loan progresses. That's it. You've created a clean, accurate loan liability account that keeps your books clear and your reports reliable.